everybody, Holly here from HolliDay AnyDay, and I've got another Tipsy Tuesday tip for you. Let's jazz up a log of goat cheese. What I've got here is I've got a mixture of ground pistachios, orange and lemon zest, some pink peppercorns, and some chopped up Italian parsley. We'll just spread it out on a platter, take our log of goat cheese, just drop him in, you can roll him around and press it in. You could do pretty much anything you wanted with this. Anything's gonna work. It doesn't have to be totally covered, just enough to make it a little more interesting than plain old goat cheese. Then let's pop them on a nice little platter here. And it's perfect with a glass of champagne and a little cracker. Cheers, it's easy breezy.